How to lock Facebook profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile settings section, what you can do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as lock profile. So simply tap on it. And now on the next page, again tap on the button that says lock your profile to confirm your action. And that's it. Now you have successfully logged your Facebook profile. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.